What is up, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're in the garage with the garage door closed because it is absolutely downpouring out there. And I had an idea for this weekend to do a video for you guys of cleaning up the Mustang here because unfortunately and fortunately, it's getting close to selling this thing. The time is coming that I'm gonna have to part ways with my EcoBoost, and it's a bittersweet, man. We've built the entire channel with this car. I mean, we've had it since day one. I mean, if you're new to the channel, you might not know, but go back in the videos. We made like 100 and something videos pretty much on this car, on this platform. So it's gonna be, it's gonna be a change for sure. So there's a couple things, on Instagram the other day, I actually did kind of a poll to see, should I trade the car in? Should I sell it privately? And I think it was like 30-something% was trade it in, put the stock parts on it, trade it in, and then sell the aftermarket parts after the fact and, go from there. However, 60-something% was like, sell it privately with the aftermarket stuff on it, and that'll probably be the best route to go. So I'm gonna try that first. I'm gonna sell it privately. The only thing that won't come on the car is the wheels. I'm gonna keep these wheels because I like them a lot, and I plan on putting them on the new car actually. So they're gonna come with the factory wheels on there that I had, so if you wanna see those, go back in the earlier videos. I'll also have an updated video when it's actually posted for sale. I'm gonna make a video going over every single option, every single mod on the car. And just so, if people are interested, if you're interested, you get, every detail of what the car is like at this moment in time. So pretty cool, but today there's a couple things that I gotta do to this thing before I sell it. And one of the things is I gotta clean it up a bit. So yesterday, I ended up washing the whole thing. It's starting to look pretty good. We got it all cleaned up here exterior wise. However, I'm going to clay bar the entire thing here. So I washed it, did the wheels real well, even though I'm not selling them with these wheels on it. And then I'm gonna clay bar the entire car, and then we're gonna add a little coating here. Probably this guy here, this ceramic 3-in-1 wax by Griot's Garage, which I actually really like this one, but you just need to kind of prep the surface a bit before you apply it. So that's what I'm gonna do. We're going to clay bar the entire car in this video, and then I'm gonna apply this coating to it, or this ceramic 3-in-1 wax. And yeah, we'll go from there. Oh, also, before we start clay barring the car and all that fun stuff, there's something that I have to kind of show you guys. Unfortunately, the Mustang got hit with a rock on the freeway the other day, and I thought there was no damage done, because this is pretty wild. When I'm sitting in the driver's seat, when I'm sitting in the passenger seat driving, when I'm sitting in the driver's seat driving, I didn't see it at all. I thought there was a rock that hit the windshield, and I looked, I'm like, all right, cool, we escaped a crack in the windshield. We got lucky, but we didn't get lucky. We actually have a crack in the windshield now, and it's right there. And the crazy part about this is when you're in the driver's seat, let me just show you. When you're in the driver's seat, you literally can't see it unless you peek behind the mirror, and you might not even be able to, there you go, right there. So keep an eye on that. Yeah, you literally can't even see it. So I'm driving and looking like this, and I'm like, cool, we escaped, we got lucky. Nope. It's right here. So that's kind of a bummer. All right, so the kit I'm using today, which doesn't really matter, but I picked up this McGuire's clay kit, and it looks like I've used this before. It should get the job done. It came with like 3 bars of clay, which we probably will only use like half of 1 bar, if that. And then you get some quick detailer and stuff to use as the lubricant. So I'm gonna go through and start claying this thing down. Use half of it and rip the entire package open. Oh shit. There we go. Okay. Crazy though, guys. I can't believe it that we are, like, I'm even getting to the point of, being like, yeah, I gotta sell the car. The other frustrating thing, I guess, about ordering the new one is that it's really, like, I don't know when the best time is to sell this car, because the tracker for the new one says that, you know, it's in production right now. The dealer says that it's in production, and it should be delivering and shipped out, or it should be shipped out in the next couple weeks, and it should be delivered to the dealer by the end of the month. So if that's the case, like, I got to get on this whole thing, you know, because they also don't want to give me a trading quote yet, because I think we're too far, you know, too far away from trade-in. So if the value changes, they probably don't want to be stuck with a quote, I guess, or a trade-in quote. And so I'm not really sure. I might be without a Mustang for a few days, a week, a month. I don't know. You know, I hope it's not too terribly long, because that would suck, especially for content on the channel. Anyways, I won't keep you watching this for the whole car, because it's going to take forever. So let me finish this up, and then I'll come back at you. We'll see what it looks like, and then we'll apply the coating. Oh my God, guys, that was a lot of work. Crap. Oh, Megan's over there. And Milo.
And Milo.
They joined me for a minute, but just got done cleaning the entire car, and then I'm applying this coating wherever I set it. This one right here. Ceramic 3-in-1 wax. This is not a sponsored video. But yeah, I'm applying it now, and it is more humid than something that's freaking humid. I'm like sweating my buns off. Milo, are you sweating your buns off?
I'm sweating his fur off.
Yeah. Oh, you can see my mic bouncing in there. The quality of this video, guys, is just chef's kiss. But yeah, let me try to hold you up a little bit. There you go. But yeah, man, she's looking pretty good, pretty good. Except that freaking little ding in the windshield. Can't fix that with ceramic spray, that's for sure. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go around, finish up the coating, and then we'll wrap this one up. But kind of sad, guys. Man, getting it ready to sell. I didn't think, well, I knew I'd probably won't have it forever, but we've done a lot of stuff with this one, man. We've done a lot of stuff, so it's been a lot of fun. What do you think about that, Megan?
It is sad. I'm kind of sad about it.
I know. I mean, the GT in Grabber Blue, my favorite color, will be freaking awesome. So I'm sure I'll get over it rather quickly. But right now, I don't know. It's pretty cool.
Gray's pretty nice.
I know, gray is Megan's favorite color. So, but nope, we're going Grabber Blue, super bright. No one's gonna miss that sucker. So I'm gonna finish up this, and then yeah, we'll see how it looks at the end. This is kind of like a part 1 vlog kind of deal, because I got a lot more work to get this thing prepped before I actually try to, you know, sell it to somebody. But if you're interested, hit me up via email. Put it in the blah, blah, blah. Hit me up via email. My email's in the video description. You guys can email me there, or message me on Instagram or something like that. If you're in Georgia, because if you're not, it might be too much work. But yeah, I'm gonna sell this to somebody. So if you're interested, let me know. All right, guys, we are officially done for the day. I have coated the entire car in that ceramic, you know, from Griot's Garage, which isn't like a true ceramic, but I think it looks pretty damn good, to be honest with you. I don't know if the GoPro will pick this up in the light, because the light is pretty poor here in the garage, and it's about to start raining again, so I can't get it out in the sun and actually show it off just yet. But the paint has come out pretty good. I mean, I'm not trying to hide the fact here that this car has, unfortunately, lots of little chips in it. It's got some dents and dings and, you know, things like that. I mean, the car almost has 70,000 miles on it as it sits. But man, yeah, you see the gloss on that already? That's coming out pretty cool. We're gonna do probably the interior in part 2. And yeah, probably engine bay and stuff like that in that video, or maybe a part 3, I'm not really sure. But then it'll be up for sale. So thanks for kind of hanging out with me in this video. This, you know, was a super low budget, if you will, just a chill little vlog. So my hair's going crazy, whatever. And yeah, just kind of a couple steps here before we finish up and sell the car for the new one. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. You guys have a good one. Bye.